Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh and in today's video, I've got an exciting topic for you. We'll be discussing how you can kickstart your very own graphic design agency without actually doing the work yourself. The best part, you'll be outsourcing it with all a fantastic tool called Penji. So stick around because I'll be sharing some incredible insights on how you can leverage this platform to make some serious profits. But before we jump in, if you're really interested in my favorite and my own way to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, then please click the first link in the description, get registered and watch the presentation. And you know guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same? Follow the exact strategy and start making money for your success. I've been from zero. Now I'm a proud owner of two different companies called Collabig LLC and the Stasho Method. And you know, I believe in systems. Why? Because systems work, people fail. That's the reason I asked you to visit the first link in the description. Why? Because you would be also undergoing the system and you will be also amazed how these systems will be working for you. Alright, so without any delay, let's dive in. So first things first, there's an abundance of content creation happening online and everyone's looking to make something eye-catching. That's where Penji comes in. Whether it's your logo, animated graphics, book cover illustrations, YouTube thumbnails and more, Penji has you covered with over 100 services. And the best part, you don't have to do the work yourself. Now here's the genius part. With Penji's affordable monthly fee, you can outsource the work and charge a premium for it. So let's take a closer look at Fiverr. For example, a simple logo on Fiverr might cost you around $50 to anything around $1,000. But with Penji, you've got a wide range of services for just $500 per month. Now, imagine the profit margins. So guys, if you would like to try out Penji, then please click the first link in the description. Alright, now let's break it down. Whether it's your logo design or book cover illustrations, the demand is very high and people are willing to pay anything. Now take a closer look at this Fiverr gig with thousands of reviews, and these reviews are all satisfied customers, and you can please check with the pricing. Okay, the basic pricing is around $350 and when you go to the premium it's way beyond that. Just do the math with the basic pricing, $350 into the reviews, mind boggling, right? You can tap into this market. Okay, you can also do the same, create your gigs on Fiverr, offer your services and watch the orders roll in. But you know, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but with the right strategy and with the right system, the opportunities are endless. Not only on Fiverr, you can still work on Upwork, SEO Clerk, and there are many platforms out there. You can go post your gig and start getting orders. And don't limit yourself to Fiverr or other platforms. Think beyond. Okay, social media is a gold mine. Ever seen those Instagram theme pages with tons of followers? They also need the same content and you can be one providing it. Reach out to them, offer your graphic design services and watch your business grow. The same goes with YouTube. Content creators always need eye-catching thumbnails. You've got the solution they are looking for. So just go to YouTube, go to about section, you would be finding their email address. Directly drop them a mail. Now let's talk logistics. Create a Penji account, explore the services and start making gigs once you have identified your niche. Don't worry about the monthly fee until you have got a few orders under your belt. Once you do, it's a snowball effect of profits. Use Penji's platform to streamline your projects and remember, you are the middleman. Charge for your service and let Penji's freelancers do the rest. Now let's take a closer look at Penji's features. From print on demand to beauty packaging, there's a wide range of services you can offer. Use their art gallery as a portfolio for your Fiverr gig or anywhere you would like to showcase your work. It adds credibility and the possibilities are vast. And with Penji's diverse freelancer pool, you can handle multiple projects simultaneously and it's a game changer for your graphic design agency. Alright, let's get practical. Creating projects on Penji is a breeze. Choose your category, specify dimensions, and provide a detailed description. The more information you get from your clients, the better the output from Penji would be. Ask questions, upload files if needed, and hit create project. In a world where content is king, you are connecting customers with quality designs. It's a win-win game. Alright guys, and there you have it, the blueprint for starting your own graphic design agency using Penji. We live in a content-driven world, and there's a massive demand for eye-catching designs. Be the bridge between clients and Penji's talented freelancers, and you'll see the profits rolling in. Do your research, make a solid plan, and dive into the world of graphic design entrepreneurship. And guys, if you're one who's looking to make money through online, like around $5,000 to $10,000 per month, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description. And also I would like to give away a bonus for you. So there is already my program in the marketplace, and I'm selling it for $97. And for you, I would like to give away for just $7. So you can please visit the second link in the description, get registered, and grab my complete program. Wishing you the best luck. Please do subscribe if you like this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.